One of the most frustrating issues during a cloud-to-cloud migration is encountering broken links or URLs. When you're moving files between services like Google Drive, SharePoint, or Dropbox, broken links can lead to lost productivity and confused users. But don't worry, let's break down why it happens and how to fix it. Broken URLs usually stem from four main causes. First, permissions issues. If the destination environment doesn't have the same access settings as the source, links that point to files or folders may break because users lose visibility. Fix this by preserving permission structures during migration. Second, path changes. If folder names or directory structures are modified, old URLs referencing those paths become invalid. Use a migration tool that maintains folder hierarchies or supports path remapping. Third, unsupported file types or services. Some links might point to content that's not supported or available in the destination cloud. To prevent this, analyze your source data before migrating and adjust the destination format accordingly. Fourth, external links. If your documents contain embedded links to other cloud accounts or websites, verify those still work post-migration. And here's the final tip. Always run a small pilot migration to detect broken links and errors early. Document your findings, adjust your mapping strategy, and only then migrate the full dataset. By understanding the root causes of broken URLs and proactively planning for them, you'll have an error-free migration process. Contact us via link in the description box to get help in your migration.